Jai Hind, as you are aware that for the last 3 days we have been working with a focused direction to provide search and rescue operations here and carry out basic provision of amenities to the locals of Dharali, where an avalanche had come, a mudslide had come on 5th. The present focus remains on getting the tourists out who were stuck at Gangotri. Approximately 400 tourists who were at Gangotri along with the residents have been pulled out from Gangotri and got to Harsal, and with the aid of the civil administration, the civil helicopters and the Indian Air Force, we've been able to pull out approximately 355 people from Harsal to Maithili, that is south of Uttarkashi, from where the Uttarakhand government is sending them down to Dehradun. Our present focus remains on ensuring that we have road connectivity between Uttarkashi, Harsal and Dharali. Secondly, we are also trying to get mobile connectivity and electricity to the villagers north of Harsal, which is the immediate necessity. We are also moving medical supplies, for which the Indian Army has deployed its resources, and all people who have been affected by this incident are being provided medical assistance and also being evacuated. Besides this, the intention remains to bring in food and other rations and other resources to support the people who have been disconnected because of this break in the road linkages. So that remains our focus. We are fully in touch with the NDRF, the SDRF, the local administration and the police to ensure that this is a seamless rescue operation. And besides this, with our dog teams, drones, our Reco radars and other engineering equipment that we are moving here, we are fully committed to ensure that we do these relief and rescue operations and search operations at the earliest and provide maximum relief to the locals over here. So this continues to be our endeavor, and we will do a concerted effort with all the agencies that are involved and provide relief and assistance to the maximum that we can. Thank you. Jai Hind.